Welcome to your new home. Aerial view lakefront lot. Private heated pool. Great room floor plan. Great room entertainment center. Volume ceilings. KitchenAid stainless steel appliances. Quartz countertops. Tile throughout, no carpet. View of lanai and private heated pool. Den office or media room. Owner's bedroom. Owner's bedroom, pool access. Owner's bathroom, hers. Owner's bathroom, walk-in shower. Owner's bathroom, his. Bedroom number 3. Bathroom number 2, walk-in shower. Bedroom number 2. Laundry room, utility sink. Private pool, heated. Sun deck. Great spot to relax. Covered lanai. Patio to enjoy SWFL weather. Side yard west/paver patio. Backyard view. Aerial view backyard. (28313) Nautica Lane. Aerial view Nautica Lane. Amazing amenity center. Landmark clock tower. Beautifully decorated interior town center. Library/game room. Resort style heated pool. Tennis and pickleball center west/gathering area. Heated lap pool. Fitness center. Basketball bocce center west/gathering area. tot lot. Town center concept. Full-service restaurant. Come watch your favorite team. Gas pumps. That New York bagel place. USPS service counter. Unique butterfly gardens. Beautifully landscaped walk, bike, and golf cart paths. Guard gated community.